computer management. Uh, Computer management refers to the administration of computer systems and networks involving tasks such as both traffic monitoring, diagnostics, and configuration. Under computer management, we have different tools. We have system tools, we have storage, we have service and applications. Under system tools, we have shared folders. Shared folders is a feature that helps a computer user to control the folders and files that are accessible over the network. There are three main components of shared folders. These include shares, sessions, and open files. Shares. This is basically a component list. All the folders have been shared. The, the share names and their network paths. This enables the user to easily create new shared folders, remove existing ones, and adjust permissions. Second, you have sessions. This is a computer component that shows all the users who are currently connected to the computer through shared resources, helping the user to track who is accessing the system at a given time. We have open files. Open files help to display every file that is currently accessed via shared folder along details such as when a user opened it and whether it's opened for reading or writing. We also have local users and groups. This is a tool that lets administrators manage their user accounts and groups on the computer, controls who can log in, what permissions they have, and how they can interact with the system. Local users and groups basically has two main sections: users and groups. Users lists all individual user accounts on the system. Each account can be customized with properties such as passwords, whether the account is active or disabled, and what rights the user has to access the computer. We have groups. A group is a collection of user accounts that share the same permissions instead of assigning rights to each user one by one. You can place them into a group. For example, administrators, users, making management much easier and more secure. In, in short, local users and groups is a part of a computer management that deals with accounts, identities, and their access rights. It's where you control who can use the computer and what they are allowed to do. Thank you.
My name is Kanchwine Patrick. I'm going to talk about computer management and its core components. So, computer management refers to a vital administrative tool in Windows operating system. It provides a unified interface for managing various aspects of a computer, helping users and administrators maintain, monitor, and optimize system performance. It provides system tools, storage services, and applications. So, the main components of a computer system, I'm going to talk about the system tools. The system tools is a collection of utilities that help manage core functions of a computer. It includes several important subtitles, for example, task schedule, event viewer, shared folders, local users and groups, performance, device manager, among others. Then I'm going to talk about the task schedule. This refers to a Windows tool that allows users to see, monitor, and manage running applications, background processes, and system performance on a computer. This is useful for regular maintenance, backups, and updates. Its purpose is to automate repetitive tasks such as running program, sending emails, or displaying messages. For example, backing up files every week, running system maintenance, scripts, among
It is here. My name is Kevin Patience, PIT 1, reg number 2025 stroke PIT 117 stroke PS. I'm here to present storage, and it is amongst the computer management tools. It is in the course unit Fundamentals of ICT. I start with storage. This section deals with managing system drives and storage devices. It is main accessed through disk management. This also deals with managing disks, partitions, and file systems. It also ensures that the operating system can properly use physical and logical devices. Here, I'm going to talk about key functions of storage, so-called disk management. Number one, view disk information. This displays all connected drives like HDDs, SSDs, external drives, USB flash drives, and also optical drives. It also shows size, the variable space to be used, and also its status. Number two is creating partitions, call them volumes. This prints a physical disk into smaller logical parts. For example, an TBHDD can be partitioned into 3 drives, that is system data and backups. Number 3 is what we call format drives. This prepares a drive with a file system so that it can store files, e.g. formatting an external hard drive with exFAT so that it works on both windows. Number 4 is assigning or changing drive letters. It assigns letters like C, D, E partitions, for example, renaming a USB from drive letter G to H for consistency. Number 5 is extending and shrinking volumes. This increases and decreases the size of a partition, e.g. thinking B by 50 GB to create a new E drive, extending it when it's running out of space. Number 6 is deleting partitions. This is done by removing a volume, and it does so by turning it into an allocated space. For example, deleting a recovery partition that you no longer need or you no longer want to use. Number 7 is checks disk health. This shows status of disks like healthy, failed and allocated, e.g. deleting a failing drive and replacing it before data loss. That's all. Therefore, the storage or disk management tool in computer management is crucial for organizing, formatting, partitioning, and maintaining storage devices, ensuring smooth data management. This marks the end of my presentation. I remain Patience Kevudwanji, PIT 2025 stroke PIT 117 stroke PS.
Bwaga Timothy Conrad. Today we are going to look at services and applications. Let's first talk about services. A service is a set of functions or a function offered to meet specific needs, often running in the background and providing value without requiring direct user interaction all the time. Key features we are looking at services. These include runs continuously or on demand, can be software based, cloud based, or IT based, provides functionality to other software systems or user. Types of services, we have IT services, cloud services, web services. First and foremost, let's look at IT services. IT services, these provide support and management of technology. The examples of these IT services include network management, cybersecurity, help desk, and amongst others. Cloud services, these are delivered over on demand. These include IaaS. IaaS in full is infrastructure as a service. PaaS is platform as a service. SaaS is also software as a service. The last type of service we have is web services. Web services allows systems to communicate over the internet. These include Google Map API. We also have PayPal. We also have Payment Gateway and many others. So let's also look at applications. An application is software designed to perform tasks directly for the user. An application is a software designed to perform tasks directly for the user. The key features we are looking at applications, we have user facing with an interface. The interfaces we are talking of, we have GUI or CLI. The other feature is built to solve a specific problem or provide functionality. And lastly, the feature we have is runs on top of an operating system or platform. The types of applications we are going to talk about, we have desktop applications. Desktop applications, we have Microsoft Word, Photoshop, we have Microsoft Excel, like the desktop applications. The other application, the other type of application we are talking about is mobile application. Mobile applications, these happen to be the apps we have on our phones, which include Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, and many others. Web applications, we are going to talk of the Gmail, the YouTube, and so many others. The last type of application we have is enterprise application. Enterprise applications, these include ERP, CRM, etc., and so many on. We also have examples of applications. Examples of applications, we have Microsoft Excel, which is a desktop app. We have Spotify, which is two-way. It's two-sided. It's either a mobile app or a website or a web application. Like you can visit via the its official website, which is spotify.com. And we also have Salesforce. Salesforce is an enterprise app.